How to fix Facebook video lag. Now, everybody knows that the very main thing that you want to have to check first is make sure if you're using your Wi-Fi connection, make sure that you have at least a maximum signal amount of bars so that you will not encounter laggy issues. Now, next is if you're going to be using your mobile data, make sure that you have sufficient amount of megabytes or gigabytes so that you can run videos on your Facebook app smoothly. The other thing that you can do is open up your Facebook application and then log in into your account. Now go into the settings and privacy tab and tap on settings. Now from here, scroll down and then under preferences, choose on media. So this is where you can optimize or adjust the settings that you check out the quality of the videos that you are trying to scroll on Facebook. So you can either choose to optimize and it will automatically adjust the videos depending on your network condition, or you could also use the data saver, which use up to 40% less data by reducing the video quality. Now choose either of these options right here and your video will be fixed and you will not experience laggy issues anymore. And that's how you fix Facebook video lag.